Super Bowl fans, I have a great recipe for you. This is my buffalo chicken dip. It goes with nacho chips and celery sticks. It's hot, spicy, bubbly, perfect for game day. Stay tuned for the recipe.
Hi, my name is Debbie Covington. I'm a chef, caterer, cookbook author, and food columnist. I live on Ladies Island in Beaufort, South Carolina with my husband Vince and our cat Belle. I've been serving delicious food to fabulous people for close to 30 years. This is my trusty sidekick, Susan DeLoach. Susan is a photographer, good friend, and all-around creative talent. Over the years, we've joined forces on catered events, food columns, cooking classes, and published a cookbook together. Cooking videos are our new project. Welcome to our pretend cooking show. Cheers!
Are you ready for some football? I'm not a big sports fan, but I am a big fan of tailgating food, of football food. Today, I want to make a buffalo chicken dip that's wonderful for tailgating, wonderful for sitting at home watching games, great for just parties, and I've even known people to eat it in a bowl with a spoon, not even use it as a dip. Very easy, just a few ingredients. Let me show you how it's made. I'm starting with 2 blocks of cream cheese, softened at room temperature. To that, I'm going to add 4 chicken breasts that have been cooked and diced. I'm going to give that a quick mix. To that, I'm adding 16 ounces of ranch dressing, just straight out of the bottle. I mean, you can make your own ranch dressing, but this is super easy and very creamy. And 1 cup of buffalo wing sauce. I like Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce. Some people will argue and say they like Frank's better, but both of them will work. And to that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of diced celery. So we're going to mix all of this together. My original recipe came from my cookbook, Celebrate Everything, which is available through my website and also on Amazon. But I've taken some of the steps out from that recipe. That one was more layered. The recipe pretty much ends up being the same thing all the way through anyway, so I made it a 1-bowl dish instead of having to layer the chicken and the cheese. So this is pretty well mixed together. And I have about a 2-quart casserole dish that I've sprayed with cooking spray. And I'm just going to pour it in. Yummy. Spread this evenly across the top, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. So we'll spread that evenly, and I'm going to stick it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes until it's warmed through and kind of bubbly. So if you can hang on, we'll be back in a few minutes. I pulled the buffalo chicken dip out of the oven. It's nice and bubbly, and I have it right here. We're going to serve it with some nacho chips and some celery sticks, and let's take a little taste. I love everything that's spicy. Yummy. Make this, you will like it. Your friends will love you. Perfect for tailgating. Happy footballing.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.